Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Zulaika Fatia binti Muhammad Nasir from the Diploma in Landscape and Horticulture. Today I will present about my site landscape idea development for my design project. My concept is called the Gathering Nexus. This concept focuses on creating a space where people can gather, interact and share ideas in a comfortable landscape environment. So, the concept of the Gathering Nexus combines two main ideas. The word of gathering refers to social interaction, collaboration, and connection between people. Meanwhile, nexus means a point where different elements come together. In landscape design, the Gathering Nexus represents a space where student activities and landscape elements meet to create a place for communication, relation, and creativity. So right now we move to the conceptual framework. So my conceptual framework shows how the concept is applied to the site design. The main idea is to create a center gathering space that encourages students to interact and share ideas. From the center space, different landscape elements such as seating areas, water features, and planting areas are connected. These elements work together to create a comfortable, interactive, and visually attractive environment for users. So based on my site analysis, there are several issues that I identify. The first issue is that the site lacks of interactive space where students can gather and communicate, which is currently the area does not provide a specific space that encourage social interaction. Because of this, students usually just pass through the area instead of stopping to interact or discuss or spend time more together. The second issue was have a limited comfortable seating areas for relaxation. The site does not provide enough seating facilities for users. This makes it difficult for students to sit, rest, or have informal discussion. As a result, the space is not fully utilized by users. So my last issue is the landscape lacks attractive element that encourage users to stay longer in the area. There are very few visual features such as water elements, planting design, or focal point that can make the space more interesting. Because of this, the area appears less engaging and does not attract users to spend time more in there. So for my goal of my site is turn the site into a lively and inviting place where everyone can connect, unwind, and make the most of their time. So basically, my goal of this design is to create a functional and attractive gathering space where students can interact, relax, and exchange ideas within a comfortable landscape environment. So now we move to my objective in my design. The first one is to create a welcoming space for students to gather and interact. And the number 2 is to provide comfortable seating areas for relaxation and discussion. And then number 3, to enhance the aesthetic value of the site through water feature and plants. And then I need to create a relaxation and natural environment for users. So we move to my conceptual diagram, which is I put seating area. The seating area provides a comfortable space for students to rest, relax, and socialize. It also supports interaction and discussion among users. And number 2, I put water feature, which is water feature creates a calming atmosphere and improve the visual quality of the landscape. It also enhances the overall experience of the space. And then I put a planting area, plants improve the aesthetic value of the site. That also it can provide shade and create a natural and pleasant environment for user. So as you guys can see, my function diagram for the blue one is for dining and social space, and then the grey one is for main circulation, and then the purple one is for information gathering space, and then red one is quiet resting area, blue for flexible activity space, and the green one is for green buffet area. In this schematic plan, the site is divided into several zones, including a food court area, sitting area, water feature area, and photo taking area. Each piece is designed to support social interaction, relation, and user activities while supporting the concept of the gathering itself. So as you guys can see here, this is my master plan. This master plan shows the overall landscape design based on the concept of the gathering nexus. It is integrated soundscapes elements such as the plants and hardscape elements such as the pathway and sitting areas, so that it can create a functional and attractive environment. A pergola pathway is also included to provide shade and enhance the visual quality of the space. So here are my soundscape palette. This soundscape palette shows the selection of plants used in the landscape design. In this project, a total of 27 different plant species are proposed and distributed across different areas of the site. The plants are selected based on their function, aesthetic value, and sustainable to the site environment. Different types of plants are used to create variety, visual interest, and a balanced landscape composition. So some plants are used to provide shade and comfort for user, while others are selected to enhance the beauty of the landscape with the different colors, texture, and forms. So the variety of plants also help to create different layers and visual diversity in the landscape design. Overall, the planting palette support the concept of the gathering nexus by creating a natural, attractive, and comfortable environment for user. So right now, let's move to my hardscape palette. It is to use in the landscape design. These elements are selected to support the function, comfort, and aesthetic quality of the site while enhancing user experience. So let me explain one by one. For the sitting area, timber outdoor sofa as proposed. The material used is hardwood, timber such as a teak, marble, or acacia combined with brown fabric. And next one is the sitting area provide a comfortable place for user to relax, socialize, and enjoy the surrounding landscape environment. And that in addition, an outdoor sofa made from olefin fabric is also included because this material is durable, weather resistant, and suitable for outdoor use. And a frame picnic table with integrated umbrella is also supposed in the design. The table used pressure-treated lumber such as a pine or cedar combined with fabric for the umbrella. This area allows user to eat, gather, or have an informal discussion comfortable while being protected from sunlight. So next, a wood pergola structure is introduced to create a shaded walkway and gathering space. So the pergola use hardwood materials such as shingle and marble or teak, and some structure may combine timber with steel to provide durability. And then this structure enhance the landscape by providing shade while also acting as a strong visual feature in the design. next we go to the lighting. Lighting elements such as the modern bollard lamps and Victorian lamp posts are used in the design. And then these lamps are made from powder coated aluminium or steel and cast iron materials, which is durable for outdoor environment. So the lighting helps improve safety, visibility, and the aesthetic atmosphere of the landscape during nighttime. As we go to the outdoor fitness, this design also include outdoor fitness and recreational equipment such as a modern total style seesaw and spring riding playground equipment. These elements are made from heavy duty powder coat steel tubing, which provides durability and safety for outdoor use. This feature encourage physical activity and recreational interaction among users. And then next we go to the water fountain. A linear turret fountain is included as the main water feature in the landscape design. So the material is reinforced concrete, which provides structural strength and durability. So for the last one, we have a fabric canopy. Shading structure is proposed. The canopy is made from high density polyethylene material, which is strong, lightweight, and weather resistant. This shading structure provides additional protection from sunlight and improve user comfort in outdoor space. So next we go to the hardscape specification. Hardscape specification is used in the landscape design. Hardscape elements are important because they provide structure, function, and visual interest within the landscape space. So here are my first hardscape landscape element in the garden pergola, which function as an outdoor shading structure for relaxation and gathering. So the pergola use treated timber with weather resistant varnish to ensure durability and protection from outdoor weather conditions while maintaining a natural aesthetic appearance. So based on the design, the pergola structure has a length of approximately 216 mm with a width of 1,500 mm and a height of about 3,000 mm. The timber members are designed with a 150 mm thickness to provide structural stability. In this project, 2 pergola units are proposed and each unit can accommodate around 4 to 6 people, making it suitable for small group interaction and relaxation. So the second hardscape, which is the linear turret fountain, which acts as the main water feature in the landscape design. So this fountain uses natural stone or granite tile finishing, which is provide a durability material and an elegant visual appearance that blends well with the surrounding landscape. So the overall dimension of the fountain is approximately 5620 mm in length and 906 mm in width, with the inner water feature length about 4,068 mm. The height of the structure is around 750 mm, making it suitable as a visual focal point while still maintaining user safety. So the estimated water capacity is approximately 250 to 500 liters depending on the depth of the fountain design. The linear from the fountain help create a strong visual element while producing a calming sound of flowing water that enhance the atmosphere of the space. So this is my axonometric drawing, shows the three-dimensional view of the site design. The first view was present the overall layout of and circulation of the space, while the second views highlight the main landscape element and activity areas that support the concept of the gathering dances. So right now we move on to the perspective drawing. This is my perspective drawing board, which is the section A have the perspective capture a modern outdoor cafe and long featuring wooded structures and tensile canopies and people relaxing in the landscape garden, which you guys can see from this my board. People are listening in the landscape garden and buy some food. And then we go to the section B. We have a modern outdoor commercial and long space feature wooden slab structure and lush greenery. And then the section C, this image focus on modern outdoors photo spot and garden gazebos are filled with people relaxing in a lush landscape. And the section D, we have this image focus of an outdoor park or playground, and then have a yellow seesaw with purple seat stand and a green lawn and stationary exercise bike is a positioned to a large tree, and then people can also play with the fitness equipment. And the section E, this is the main entrance and exit road of this college with a recessed area contain shrub and lamp. And the last one is a F. This photo highlight a wooden pergola over a water feature surrounded by greenery, lampposts, path walkways and students passing through the landscape space. So here are my section elevation drawing board. Shows a landscape design for a college courtyard divided into food court, leisure and relaxation zones. The layout included timbers, pergola, fabric canopies and outdoor seating area for students to use. So the various plants like the samana saman, tree and woodietia bifurcata palm are positioned across the site to provide greenery. So the technical section also illustrate the ground layers showing organic topsoil, subsoil and bedrock beneath the surface. In conclusion, the site project aims to integrate aesthetic, functionality and sustainability to create a welcoming environment for all users. So that's it from me. Thank you for your listening and attention to my video. So thank you and Assalamualaikum.